Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make super easy no-glue lotion slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is also remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make updated no-glue lotion slime. So the last time I made a no-glue lotion slime video was about 6 months ago, and I actually have been updating my recipe to be really thick and to be a holdable no-glue lotion slime recipes. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is lotion. I'm just using this lotion body butter I have. The next thing you guys will need is soap, and I'm just using this soap I put in a container beforehand. You guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys need a mixing tool. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do for this recipe is I'm going to get out my body butter, or aka lotion. And I'm going to get scooping some of it into the bowl. That looks like enough. I'm going to try to make a lot of this lotion, so I usually make only a little bit. And now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get the soap out, and I'm going to get adding it into here. The soap is super thick, so it's really cool. You can already see that it's like no glue slime basically. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get mixing this up, and I'll fast forward this. A lot, and now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put this into the freezer for about 2 hours, and I'll see you guys in about a second when I'm done, and I'm going to show you guys how it turned out. Okay, so it's been about 2 hours, and I took it out every here and there to see how it turned out, so I'm really excited to see. I actually washed my hands before I did this just because when I took it out some of the soap actually spilled on me, so here it is now, and let's see how it turned out. It's still a little bit sticky, but it actually formed into a pretty cool lotion slime. Yeah, as you can tell, it's super stretchy, which is awesome. I think what made it stretchy was the soap. But it turned into an awesome lotion slime recipe. My last one was kind of a bit of a fail just because it was touchable, but you couldn't pick it up and stuff. But this one you can pick it up and stuff. And it turned out pretty cool. Yeah, but here it is right here. It still is a bit sticky, but it turned into a really awesome slime recipe, and you can still see the color is like a light pink color, which is like when I mixed the red soap and the white lotion, it made this really awesome color. But overall, this recipe turned out to be an awesome recipe, and it worked awesome, and I hope you guys try it out. And if it did fail, remember to add some more of the thick soap in there. And the soap I used for that was actually just Suave shampoo. Or just use any type of thick shampoo. I also have the blue shampoo right here. You can see it's just super thick, and it works really well. But yeah, so here is the recipe. This one was a big win-win, and I really hope you guys try out these recipes. Well, this recipe I showed in today's video. But yeah, also remember to check out my TikTok, my Instagram, all my social medias. They will all be linked down below. And thumbs up to make new no glue slime recipes. Bye guys, love you, and peace. And yeah. Bye!